Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to reset pin code in Messenger. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Messenger application. Once you're there, just head over to the three lines icon and then just go to the settings option. And here, just scroll down. As you can see, there is no resetting option right here. So all we need to do is just tap on help and then search for reset pin code and search. And from here you will be able to get several options so that you can just change your pin code. And all you need to do is just to get just head over to your suitable one, and from there you can just change your pin code. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.